I've been using this mouse for 2 weeks and now I can go back to my normal mouse. My hand doesn't get tired from using this mouse for too long, and it is just nice to touch it because it is made out of good quality materials. Let's get right into pros of this mouse. It is really comfortable and I'm not going back to my previous mouse. Battery comes with the mouse. I was so surprised when I saw that there is a battery in the package. This is so rare now. No latency, however, there are some nuances. I'm gonna talk more about it later. It's plug and play. You don't need an account to use this mouse. It is customizable with software, however I like it how it is from the package. There are also different ways you can connect this mouse to your PC, which are Bluetooth and adapter. It is really quiet except additional buttons, which sucks. The scroll wheel is really nice. At first I thought it's too light, but after using this mouse for around 15 minutes I started to really like the scroll wheel. Also there is a feature called Smart Wheel, which at first I thought is absolute bullshit for making the mouse more expensive. However, it turned out to be pretty nice. I use it all the time now. This feature basically works like scrolling on your phone. If you swipe your screen fast, then the page you're swiping scrolls fast for some time on its own. So the Smart Wheel works the same. Now let's get to cons. Additional buttons are allowed and feel cheap. This mouse has latency in some games. However, after I deleted drivers for my old mouse and played with video settings in games, the latency got fixed. That's pretty much all the downsides this mouse has. At first, this mouse feels a little bit weird to use, but after you find the right grip and just get used to it, which happens really fast, you can't go back to using normal mouse. Talking about grip, for example, you can't leave this mouse to adjust your hand position because it falls from your hand. So I figured I can just rotate it a little bit on the edge and readjust my hand position, and it works like no problem. I give this mouse a big thumbs up and would suggest to buy it, even though it's quite expensive.